Pages. Pages is the word processing application. If I just tap on Pages, it opens up for us. And it shows us all the documents that are already in this iPad. Now this demonstration iPad has a few documents that are already created. Just a document that's like a state agent document about a property, something about pool parties. So the one we're going to look at today, and it's something that comes as a demonstration on every copy of Pages you download for the iPad. It's called Getting Started. What we're going to do is we're going to work our way through this, and it'll show you some of the best features about Pages. So if I scroll all the way to the top, and you scroll simply by dragging your finger down on the screen, we'll get right to the beginning. So you'll see that on this page, if I tilt up to it, you'll see the full A4 page there. You have some text, and then you have an image embedded above it.